Greetings, everybody. It is I, your friend, the Midlife YouTuber. So, I'm sitting in my hotel room in West Virginia after a fun-filled day, a very exciting day, of going out and visiting the Mothman.
I'm a Mothman.
I didn't actually visit him. I went to the Mothman Museum and then strolled around Point Pleasant, West Virginia, where the Mothman was seen some 50-something years ago.
The Mothman. Again.
Now, this may mean nothing to you, but it means something to me because it's something I always wanted to do. I always wanted to go to the Mothman Museum and visit Point Pleasant, and I wanted to kind of check out some stuff from the Mothman.
A Mothman corpse?
And I'm not going to get into the story of it because I'll go on a whole tangent about the Mothman, and I don't want to do that because it'll be way too long. It'll be ridiculous. But what I do want to talk about is the fact that I'm on vacation. And that's not a brag. That's not me going, oh, look at me, I'm on vacation. I'm better than everybody. No, by far from it.
What is white trash about that? Don't call me white trash.
Trust me, I drove my redneck ass from Pennsylvania to West Virginia to go to this tiny little podunk museum, which is awesome, by the way, and I'm not taking anything away from it. It's a fun tourist destination. It really is. But not for everybody, but it's something I always wanted to do. And it's kind of, I jokingly called it like the redneck white trash vacation that I've always dreamt of. Went to Buc-ee's and went to the Mothman Museum. It's fun, it's great, and I've had a blast. I've done a bunch of other stuff, but those were the two highlights of my trip, the two main things that I went out of my way to do. But anyway, before I get into the hows and the whys and the who's it's of everything I did, I want to remind everybody to please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you know somebody who likes the messages of positivity, or just me being a goofy asshole, or somebody who's a big fan of the Mothman, please share this video with them. And why would you share it with them? Because sharing is caring. That's right. So, I'm on vacation.
Vacation?
I took some time off from work, saved up some money, went on vacation. Now, the reason I bring this up is because it's imperative to your mental health and your well-being to take time for yourself. Now, not everybody has the ability to take a few days off of work or a week off of work and go on an actual vacation. Not everybody has the money. I'm 49 years old, and this is one of maybe 3 vacations I've actually taken in my lifetime.
Vacation?
So I totally understand that. If you have the money to save up and take the time off work, great, do it. Go wherever you want to go, someplace you've always wanted to go, or someplace you love going. Do that. If you don't have the money, take the time for yourself. If you can take a day off of work, great. If not, take your day off and make a day just for you. Do your favorite things. Go see a movie. Go out to eat. Go to the library. Go to the bookstore. Buy a book. Go to the library, borrow a book, and go sit in a park and read it.
Here, read a book.
Do the things that make you happy. Take a day and just color, or draw, or read, or write. Do something creative, do something fun. Most importantly, do something for you. Do the things that make you happy. Take a full day of doing it if you can. If not, an hour, 15 minutes. Take time in the morning to listen to a book on tape during your commute. Drink your favorite cup of coffee in pure silence somewhere.
Cup of coffee.
Sitting outside or sitting in your car, away from people.
Cup of coffee?
Or go somewhere very crowded, someplace that you really like being. One of my personal favorite things to do is to take a book that I'm reading and go sit in a bar, have a drink or two, kind of let the ambiance and the noise of the public wash over me as white noise while I'm reading the book, and invariably get interrupted in my reading for somebody to go, I don't mean to interrupt you. It's just really cool that I see somebody reading at a bar. Happens almost every time. But I enjoy it. I like being somewhere in the public, but being away from the public, just kind of a weird thing that I like to do, but that's something that I like. Do something that you like, and you should do something that you like at least once a day. You have to enjoy yourself. You have to enjoy your life, but most importantly, you have to take a break, whether it's a break from your job, a break from your family, a break from YouTube, whatever you're doing. You have to enjoy your life. And I'm not saying leave your family. I'm saying take some time. Do something that you enjoy. Take the time for yourself so that you can be the best version of yourself. So that's it. Just a quick video for today. So from wild and wonderful West Virginia, Midlife YouTuber says, have a great day. Get out there and catch your first fish. Talk to you guys soon.